Today we will be unboxing the latest addition to our great selection of mini splits, the Waykar 22 SEER Inverter. Starting with our modes, that presents a comprehensive layout to all the useful features you know and love. It also comes well documented and includes a flexible drain hose. Now the indoor unit itself looks very clean, with a more geometric shape and a matte finish. It blows a higher air volume thanks to its sample vents. It can swing up, down or sideways on command. It is also highly modular, a helpful feature for repairability. There's the Wi-Fi module and the display module that can be easily swapped when needed. The removable filters are washable and go all around the front and top of the coil. On the back there's a mounting plate with a handy bubble level for a clean installation. Here are the line sets and the pre-attached drain hose. Oh, and it also includes this communication cable that's pre-labeled, so the installation is gonna be a breeze. All of that is included out of the box, so you have everything you need to start installing today. Moving to the outdoor unit, this one packs a punch. With 22 SEER efficiency pre-charged with R32, it includes a quick starting guide, power cables, and a 10-feet line set, along a basic installation kit. Unless you're required to run a longer distance, this will do for most use cases. Now, let's take a closer look to the outdoor unit, starting from the back. There you'll find the copper coil surrounded by weather-resistant pins and of course the temperature sensor. Technicians, don't worry, I didn't forget to mention the lines or wiring. In this case, a 12,000 BTU unit takes 1/4 and 3/8. The unit comes pre-charged, but don't forget to run a vacuum on every installation. For the wiring, you don't have to worry about figuring out which cable goes where, since everything is labeled and even the cover provides a comprehensive wiring diagram. Just make sure you have a dedicated breaker for the unit that complies with the manufacturer's MOP or maximum overcurrent protection, and to add a disconnect box for safety. And that's it, a simple yet powerful unit with good looks and ready to make your space more comfortable. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.